What worked well with our thing, we got triple digits 3 out of the 4 times. Coins and star bits worked every time. When we collected them, they swung out perfectly. When we collected them, Koopas worked fine every time. One of them didn't fall over, but that was because it hit something. That's great. Lumas worked perfectly, and somehow we even got 3 in, even when we were not on the centerpiece, which is good.
So here's what didn't work well. Frankly, the wheels and gears, we had an issue right before the second one where the wheel broke off, it's stripped essentially. That can be fixed with further 3D printing and more robust design. The mousetrap as well hit the centerpiece, and because it hit the Galaxy reactor, it tilted it off center, and that caused the Lumas to fire incorrectly, essentially. And also the coins and the star bits did not get collected. And the Luma box broke. One of our Luma box collectors, like I can see here, one of these bits, it snapped off essentially. Yeah, as you can see right here. So that broke, so that's more robust design, thicker thickness. What we want to improve on, we want to be faster, we want to be more robust, we want to have better boxing for the Lumas and also the
Some improved, rather some changes. We really need to fix our solenoid actuation for swinging these arms out to get the coins and star bits in their right respective areas, because that, truth be told, by itself doesn't work without ramming the robot into the reactor, which worked every time, but maybe not a permanent solution because our belt will get stripped. We need to work on fixing our limit switch here. Right now we just have a tape extending out to hit the reactor. We really need some sort of permanent solution to ensure that it hits the reactor every time. Also, our motor seems to not be able to handle the weight very well, so our belt is kind of just stripping. So, yeah, that's for our changes.
Priorities. And then our priorities going forward. So one of the main ones is we want to get out faster to the centerpiece so that we can get more of the coins, more of the star bits, just beat the competition. A lot of that, I think, is the motor. It stripped a little bit when it was starting. Just to jump off, just faster off the ramp would be good. We also need to implement the Mario. So we have it built, we just need to incorporate it into the robot. And that will get us a lot more points. And then we also just need to make it more robust, more thought out. So less hot glue, less tape, less cardboard, more robust, more bolts, less temporary solutions, more permanent, robust solutions.
Good work, guys.
What you're about to see is our best trial run of Sprint 2. This was our first trial. We scored 156 points due to all of our subsystems operating as designed. The track will be turned on in just a second here, and the drivetrain will operate properly, although slower than we would like it to for future runs. The mousetraps trigger correctly, although we would like to increase the height of the arms such that the Koopa towers fall over correctly. The Lumas are being distributed uniquely into each bin. That is a new pneumatic system that we have for this run, which operates perfectly. The coins and star bits were all grabbed using our arm out to the centerpiece and distributed using the slides within our robot. And the arms, after 30 seconds, will be actuated by the solenoid and our drivetrain running into the centerpiece. So that worked perfectly, and we received maximum points for that subsystem, and it was a fantastic run. Here's a side view of our robot. You can see the slides. And here's a front view. You can see the cup and the mousetrap arms. Here's the wheel that's stripped. Here's a mousetrap we're going to want to be further inside. Here's the through slide as well as the limit switch with tape. The mousetrap, which has some blooming with the string. The solenoid actuator, which will want to be more robust. Here's the drivetrain on the bottom, and that's our robot. Thank you for watching.